Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for accounts and how to follow new users on the TikTok.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your homepage, and here at the top of the screen you can see this search bar, and if you tap on it you can type in the name of the user or the account that you are looking for, and after that you can type in also a keyword or anything that helps you to look for accounts. Then click on accounts at the top next to the top section. Here you can find the available accounts including the keyword that you have just typed in, or if you have a particular one in mind, just type in its full name, tap on it, and here you can tap on this follow button so that they will appear at this following section in the left side corner. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.